Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, are you trying to struggling to get your things squeaky clean? Well, worry no more because we have got something amazing to share with you: the best ultrasonic cleaners. These nifty gadgets are like the magic for cleaning all sorts of stuff, from jewelry to glasses and even small tools. And now you might be wondering what is an ultrasonic cleaner? And it is the cool device that uses sound waves to create tiny bubbles in water and cleaning solutions. So these are the top 12 best ultrasonic cleaners. Number 1 is Screwworks ultrasonic cleaner with heater, which is cost you around $78 and 4.3 out of 5 star. This product is get. And guys, please be noted, if you wanna buy any of ultrasonic, you can go inside in my description box. Number 2 is ultrasonic cleaner jewelry 5-minute timer portable, which is cost you around $32 only and 4.2 out of 5 star. This model will get with a 647 customer review and ratings. Next is Magnasonic professional ultrasonic jewelry cleaner with digital timer, which is cost you around $39 and customer review ratings is about 4.4 out of 5 star. Around 41,000 customer rates this product. Next is Life Basic ultrasonic cleaner professional ultrasonic cleaner, cost you around $39 and 4.4 out of 5 star. This model is get from 2,687 customer review and ratings. Guys, and these bubbles go into all the nooks and cleaning your stuff way better than scrubbing by your hand. And imagine putting your favorite jewelry, eyeglasses, or even watch into the machine and they come out looking brand new. It is like having your personal cleaning fairy, but in the form of silk little machine. So guys, at number 6 is, you can see that at number 6 is ultrasonic cleaner machine, which is cost you around $93 and 4.1 out of 5 star from 33 customer review and ratings. Guys, keep watching our video. I share all the models, names, price and customer review ratings details in this video, so please watch. And if you like and if you wanna buy, you can go inside the description box. You can check our latest customer review ratings also with the latest price and price maybe very in future. And I hope you will get your best ultrasonic cleaner, and keep watching our video for the entire list. Thank you.